First we see Koh Samui, Thailand's second largest island. It's known for its palm-fringed beaches, coconut groves and dense, mountainous rainforest. The landmark 12 m tall golden big Buddha statue at Wat Phra Temple, Namtak Hinlat, a lovely Thai temple by the Hinlat waterfalls. You get to it by a suspended bridge and under an archway entrance. It's very quiet and peaceful and lax. Koh Tao is an island in Thailand. Restaurants, night spots and dive shops cluster in Mehat Beach and near Sairi Beach. Villas dot palm-fringed beaches such as Chalak, Ban Khao Bay on the south coast. In the northwest, Koh Nang Yuan is a group of islets with hilltop views. Koh Tao is known for its tropical coral reefs with species including whale sharks and rays. Hawksbill and green turtles gather here to breed. This strong wall of rocks, layered and beautifully placed, can be seen as if they were a piece of great art. At the middle of the trip, tourists will see the white sand beach that connects the three islets. Koh Nang Yuan is located in Koh Phangan district of Suratthani province. It consists of three islets linked together by sand beaches. The island is a great diving site for coral reefs viewing. Koh Nang Yuan is an island of white fine sand and crystal clear water that mostly suits tranquility lovers. To visit the island, tourists have to pay maintenance fee for cleaning the area, 30 baht for Thais and 100 baht for foreigners. Koh Nang Yuan is considered one of the greatest deep water diving sites. A pile of underwater rocks is situated at the south of the island. The pile has many small underwater caves. There is also a long pile of underwater rocks located at the north. For those who do not want to go diving, swimming is also a great choice as the resort already places a line of buoys to prevent long-tail boats from getting in the area. Koh Thong National Park really is a tropical paradise that you envisioned with beautiful vistas and scenery, numerous wildlife and marine life, and white sand beaches. This national park lets you experience nature and its beauty. This tourist destination does demand you to be a bit active with its numerous and steep hiking trails, kayaking, swimming, and snorkeling. Is an island in southeast Thailand that's renowned for its monthly full moon party. This boisterous night-long celebration, which is tied to the lunar calendar, draws revelers to its southeastern peninsula. Had Rin. Most festivities center on Sunrise Beach, whose beach bungalows attract a backpacker crowd. On the north